If you've been working in WordPress for a while, chances are you've been needing to find an ID of a post, a page, or a job. And so I'm going to teach you a really fast way to do this. So as you see right now, I have a list of posts and they are on this domain, my personal domain, and then I have another domain here, and this post has been modified to have the exact post ID. The same happens if I go into job listings. I can get the ID of that specific job. One way where this is really, really helpful is if you want to actually go ahead and embed a single job using a short code, as well as a post. Like a lot of times short codes end up working like that. So here is the secret. It's a free plugin in WordPress and it's called Catch IDs. So if you're unfamiliar with how installing plugins works, I'll go ahead and go through the process of installing this plugin. Otherwise, go free and grab your IDs as whenever you want. So you just go over to plugins in the left-hand side of the menu, you click add new, and then I searched their Catch IDs. I just installed it, double click or click again to activate, and then you'll notice when I go back to my posts, which didn't have the ID, it's there now on the left. So that is a really quick way to get the ID of any sort of content type in WordPress. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.